Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the footer size or footer note size on your WPS Office site and for your document. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So in previous video I just told how to change the header size. In this video I just going to show how to change the footer size. You just want to click here. You can see the footer start from here to here. So I just want a minimal space. I just want to decrease the size. You can see after clicking here you can see a tab opened, header and footer. So you just click on the minus. You can see the footer automatically bring down, and just click on the plus symbol. The footer automatically increase the size. And also have an advanced option. Go to the page layout, and here you can see the margin option here, and also here you can also adjust this line, particular line that you want. So just go to the bottom option and adjust to 2. Now you can see it automatically, the line has moving down. So now the line has been appearing on the top. You can also go to the minus. So by this option you can easily change the header footer. First of all, you just bring the footer to the downside by this. You can see now the footer becomes so small. You can also use this and make it as a so large. By this option, by these two options, just do this, and also the page layout you just want to change here. So these two options brings you to decrease or increase the footer size. I think this video helped you a lot. It is really helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more content about the WPS Office site, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.